Hello, today I'm reviewing for you this Cranberry Advanced Bladder Health Supplement for dogs. And it has cranberry, D-Menos, and astragalus root. And those are things that are in human bladder, kidney support, UTI. You see that a lot in those things. And that's what drew me to this product. We have a 12-year-old Australian Shepherd, and sometimes she needs a little help, and we like to give it to her. So this is the perfect supplement for that type of thing. We do like it, and we would recommend it, and we hope it helps your fur baby just as much. Thank you. Oh. Sit. Okay.